Welcome back everybody for another unbox and swatch. Today we'll be doing the LUKAS set of half pans, 12 half pans. If you'd like to see future unbox and swatch videos, please be sure to subscribe to our channel as we will be adding these regularly. So the LUKAS set comes in a very plain white box. It's basically just a way to protect it in shipping and also have the barcode on it without having to put it on the set. The set itself is in this really nice metal tin. It's like a brushed black metal, and you can see here there's a little loop that I guess it's sort of like those cell phone loops that you can buy now that just make it a little bit more comfortable to hold in your hand, whether you want to slide a finger through it or somehow maybe incorporate your thumb. You have this loop there to help relieve some of the weight from your hand. So let's open it up. You've got two large mixing areas up here at the top and then another mixing area here at the bottom, and I guess technically you have a third mixing area if you'd like. These pans all come individually wrapped and labeled so you know what you have. In the past, when I have used these, one of the things that I personally like to take the time to do is I basically created a color chart that fit right here, and I would use the label on one side, and then on the opposite side I would use the swatch. I would put the swatch, and I just kind of had that for my reference. But what I'm going to do is unwrap all of these and get them ready, and then we're going to swatch them on a larger sheet of paper so we can see actually how the color sets up. So these colors worked very well, very nice. They activated fairly easily. You've got a nice assortment of colors, some more natural looking colors, some more vibrant looking colors. Really beautiful Payne's gray here. Just a nice assortment overall. One of the things that you'll notice with the LUKAS sets, this is the smaller half pan set, but if you wanted to add whole pans, you could. In fact, this very box, this very tin is available completely empty, so you can customize your palette to your heart's content, filling it with half pans, whole pans, whatever you'd like. Because some people use one color more than others, and it would be nice to have a full pan of that instead of having to constantly swap out half pans. So this is a very small convenient set, and I'm going to just put a kit together with this set, one of our small Aqua Reflections journals. You know, it has a nice cold pressed paper, pocket in the back, use it for journaling, whatever you collect along the way. This little box right here, an Aquastroke Go water brush pen, and this set of 3 super black. They're a lettering and calligraphy set, but I really enjoy them for urban sketching, and because they dry permanent, you can do watercolor over them without them bleeding. And so just that little small area, and you can make art. That's all it takes. Fits in a purse, in a backpack. Technically, it could probably fit in a back pocket. So this is the LUKAS Aquarell 1862 set of 12 half pans. Hope you give them a try.